Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make vitamin C gummies. We're going to use orange juice, which you can see right here. We're going to use some beef gelatin, which is really great for gut health, which is where most of the immune system is. We're gonna use some vitamin C powder, so I'm using the Acerola powder. It's like a cherry powder. So this is a natural form of vitamin C. We're gonna use some raw honey, and I'm gonna add some OnGuard to this. So we're gonna heat up this just enough that we can add some gelatin to it. So I've got 1.5 cups of orange juice, and I'm gonna add 7 scoops of gelatin. I will put the recipe in the description. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I like to use this guy. You want to use a whisk so that you don't get clumps in it. Okay, so I've gotten all of the gelatin mixed into the juice. I'm going to add now a tablespoon of my vitamin C powder. Now I'm gonna mix this until it's all smooth. Okay, so I finally got that vitamin C powder all nicely smooth into that mix. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of raw honey. Okay, and now that I've added the honey, the vitamin C, the gelatin, and the juice, I'm going to add 6 drops of OnGuard to the mix. OnGuard is an immune support blend by doTERRA. It's got like wild orange, cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils, and it's gonna be really supportive for the immune system. Lastly, we're gonna put our mix into little silicone molds. So I got a pack of all these for like 10 or 11 bucks on Amazon, really cheap. They came with droppers, which is really convenient because I literally just fill up. You can see, I'm gonna fill this up. And I'm just gonna fill all these molds before it completely cools down, because when it cools down, we're gonna have gummies. And the gummies, once it's cooled down, so I'm gonna fill all these up, I'm gonna put them on a tray in the fridge, and within only a few minutes, we're gonna have end pieces like this, little gummies, and they taste like orange juice. My kids absolutely love them. It's a little bit of vitamin C for them, some gelatin, which is really great for their guts, and OnGuard, which is also good for their immune system. So stay well.